Hi guys, my name is Shivij and welcome to my channel TechNerd. So guys, this is my first ever tech video and before you have seen me in all those tutorial videos. But now I'll try to deliver you all the best tech content also. So guys, this year we saw a lot of brand new smartphones and a lot of flagships too. Like the Samsung Note 20 Ultra or the Samsung S20 or the Apple iPhone 12. But अब हमें पता होना चाहिए कि 2021 में कैसे phones आएंगे and what will be the features in those phones which we'll get in 2021. So according to me, I think in 2021 we'll have basically small phones के साइज बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा and also due to that obviously बैटरी भी कम होएगी. So battery would be I think around 2200 mAh or 2500 mAh, just this much. But in other normal phones I think we'll also have a battery around 6000 mAh or 7000 mAh, but not above that. I don't think so. So minimum would be 2200 mAh, 2500 mAh and the maximum would be 6000 mAh or 7000 mAh. And secondly, I think we saw a lot of foldable phones this year and next year we'll also see a lot of foldable phones, but we can also see a lot of tri-foldable phones जो 3 बारी fold हो जाते हैं. And I think we also have a concept of rollout phones too. तो जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि we'll have small phones of around 2200 mAh, 2500 mAh. But obviously if the battery is less, we need fast chargers. तो हमें जैसे इस साल ही हमने 65 वॉट के चार्जर्स भी देख लिए हैं OnePlus के फोन्स में. एंड आई थिंक 2021 में we'll also get chargers above 100 watt or maybe above 200 watt. एंड ऑब्वियसली परफॉर्मेंस तो अच्छी होती रहती है हर फोन्स में, नए प्रोसेसर्स आते रहते हैं, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन अच्छी होती रहती है हर फोन्स की. परफॉर्मेंस वुड बी ऑब्वियसली बेटर एंड देन वील ऑल्सो हैव गुड डिस्प्लेज एंड कैमराज, और ये सब भी हर फोन में हमेशा अपग्रेड होते ही रहते हैं. वील हैव क्वाड कैमराज or maybe we'll have 5 cameras in a phone, we don't know. And I think design में कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, design would be the same. And we'll have 5G phones in every category. We'll also have 5G phones in 10,000 range and above that. So now coming to the phones, what will be the upcoming phones in 2021? So first of all, the phone I think which will come is the Samsung Galaxy S21, which I think will be the next flagship phone after Samsung Galaxy S20. एंड आई थिंक वो जनवरी या फरवरी 2021 तक आ जाना चाहिए. एंड इट विल हैव द प्रोसेसर Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G or Exynos 2100 which is Samsung's own processor, and it will have around a RAM of 6GB, 8GB and of storage of 128GB. और इसमें जो हमारे पास कैमरा आएगा that will be a triple rear camera which will be same as the Samsung Galaxy S20. So the second phone is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. और जहां तक मेरे को लगता है इट विल अराइव इन जनवरी और फरवरी एंड इट विल हैव अ बैटरी अराउंड 6000 mAh एंड आई थिंक इसका कैमरा भी ट्रिपल रेयर कैमरा ही होएगा, जिसमें हमें 48 मेगापिक्सल का प्राइमरी सेंसर मिलेगा एंड वील हैव एन 8 मेगापिक्सल सेल्फी कैमरा. सो द थर्ड फोन विल बी Micromax iN Note 1 Pro. This Micromax phone would be in great competition with Realme X1 series and Redmi Note 10 series too. This phone is said to have MediaTek 800 processor which is a power efficient processor. और मेरे को लगता है कि इसकी जो RAM होगी वो 6GB to 8GB होगी with 128GB or maybe 256GB storage, and it will be based on the new version of Android which is Android 11. एंड इसकी जो सिक्योरिटी होगी वो Realme और Redmi से बहुत ही ज्यादा बेटर होगी. And this phone is said to have a quad camera with a 64 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth lens, and with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. And it is said to have a battery of 4300 mAh with a fast charger of 22 watts. And the fourth phone is OnePlus Nord N10 5G. This phone is said to have a 6.49 inches FHD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. And a processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. और इस फोन में हमको 64 मेगापिक्सल क्वाड कैमरा सेटअप दिखेगा जो एक OnePlus के फोन में ऐसा पहली बार हो रहा है. एंड we'll have a RAM of 6GB with a storage of 128GB and this phone will price around just 20,000. So the fifth and the last phone is the Poco 5G phone, which is the Poco F3. तो Poco ये कह रहा है कि that it will not release the Poco F2, it will release Poco F3 just after Poco F1. और इसमें जो प्रोसेसर होएगा वो होएगा Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 प्लस प्रोसेसर। और ये फोन Poco F1 से काफी बेटर होएगा और ये इस प्रोसेसर के साथ काफी लीस्ट प्राइस वाला फोन होएगा। So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the videos, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new. And also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.